Hello, and welcome to Pulse of Politics, your go-to channel for the latest global and trending news. Big news is shaking the world stage. Donald Trump has just announced a 25% tariff on all foreign-made cars and light trucks. This decision could spark a global trade war and drive up car prices for millions of consumers. But why is Trump doing this now? How will it affect your wallet, the auto industry, and relationships between powerful nations? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know. Why Trump is imposing this tariff, how it could increase car prices, the worldwide reaction, and the threat of retaliation. What this move means for the U.S. economy and future politics. Stick around, because this decision could change global trade forever. Let's dive in. On March 27, 2025, Donald Trump made a major announcement. A 25% tariff on all cars and light trucks imported into the United States. What does this mean? Simply put, when a foreign car arrives in the U.S., the company selling it will have to pay an extra 25% tax. This policy affects major auto-exporting countries like Germany, Japan, South Korea, and even Mexico. According to Trump, this move is designed to protect American manufacturing and bring jobs back home. But critics warn that it could trigger higher car prices and international retaliation. During a speech in Ohio, Trump declared, "For too long, foreign countries have taken advantage of the American worker. Those days are over. This tariff will protect our workers and rebuild our auto industry." But how do we get here? Let's break it down. Trump's decision to impose these tariffs is part of his long-standing America First agenda. His goals are clear. 1. Protect American jobs. By making foreign cars more expensive, Trump hopes more Americans will buy domestic vehicles. 2. Reduce trade deficits. The U.S. buys far more from other countries than it sells. These tariffs aim to balance the scales. 3. Punish unfair trade practices. Trump has accused nations like China and Germany of using unfair tactics to dominate the auto market. But will it work? History suggests otherwise. In 2018, Trump imposed tariffs on steel and aluminum. But instead of boosting jobs, those tariffs raised prices and hurt American companies relying on foreign materials. According to Dr. Lisa Chambers, a leading economist, tariffs rarely benefit consumers. They often lead to higher prices and strained international relationships. This move could spark retaliatory measures from other countries. If you're thinking of buying a car, brace yourself. Prices are about to go up. Experts predict that the average price of an imported car could rise by $3,000 to $7,000. Popular models from Toyota, BMW, and Hyundai will likely cost significantly more. Let's break down the numbers. A Toyota Camry that costs $30,000 today could soon sell for $36,000. A BMW X5 priced at $70,000 could jump to $87,500. Even American car companies like Ford and General Motors won't be spared. Many American-made vehicles rely on foreign parts, which will also become more expensive under the tariff. According to John Davis, a car industry expert, these tariffs won't just hurt foreign automakers. They'll hurt American families trying to afford reliable vehicles. The world is already pushing back, and hard. 1. European Union. Officials have warned they will impose tariffs on U.S. exports, targeting American-made cars, whiskey, and agricultural goods. 2. Japan and South Korea. Both countries have criticized Trump's move, calling it a violation of global trade rules. 3. China. Beijing has hinted at severe countermeasures, raising concerns about a full-scale trade conflict. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen stated, "If the U.S. proceeds with these tariffs, Europe will respond firmly and decisively. Trade wars benefit no one. Retaliation could hurt U.S. businesses, especially farmers and tech companies, which depend heavily on foreign markets. These tariffs could ripple across the entire U.S. economy in ways you might not expect. Job losses. While Trump says the tariffs will protect auto jobs, other sectors, like retail and shipping, could lose thousands of jobs. Stock market impact. After Trump's announcement, major auto stocks like Ford and GM fell 4 to 6%, signaling investor concerns. Higher costs for everyone. Tariffs raise prices on more than just cars. They increase transportation costs and disrupt supply chains, affecting industries nationwide. A report from a Brookings institution suggests that tariffs like these could cost the U.S. economy over $250 billion annually. There's no doubt this is a political move. With the 2024 presidential election around the corner, Trump is playing to his base of working-class voters who want tougher trade policies. Supporters say the tariffs show Trump is fighting for American workers. Critics argue that the policy could backfire, driving up living costs and hurting U.S. competitiveness. Political analyst Sarah Thompson suggests Trump is using tariffs to energize his core supporters. But if prices rise, he could face backlash from voters in swing states. Donald Trump's 25% tariff on foreign cars is one of the most dramatic moves in recent trade history. While Trump argues it will protect American jobs, others warn it could trigger global retaliation and higher costs for consumers. The question is, will this gamble pay off or backfire? What do you think? Do these tariffs make sense, or are they too risky? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated with Pulse of Politics. Your source